Hello students, today I am going to explain your poem Childhood. Childhood poem is written by a famous poet Max Nathan. In this poem, the poet is obsessed with the loss of his childhood. Loss of childhood and stepping into the world of adults was a gradual process. This poem describes the growth of individuality and the ability to see through the hypocrisy of the grown ups. Is it clear? The poet is obsessed with the loss of his childhood. पोएट पूरी तरह से खोया हुआ है अपने चाइल्डहुड को खोने के बाद मीन्स वो खोया हुआ है उन यादों में, उन ड्रीम्स में कि जब उसका चाइल्डहुड गया कहाँ. He wants to know exactly when he lost his childhood. He makes different opinions. He realizes that the process of attaining adulthood and the loss of childhood is gradual. It involves different stages of growth. The poet described in this poem, he seems to be obsessed with the question, when did my childhood go? In every stanza, he wants to know about the day when he lost his childhood. Is it clear? Now, when did my childhood go? In first line, he asks the question, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven couldn't be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? In this stanza, you can see poet only assume. Poet has different opinion regarding his childhood. He wants to know that when did his childhood go. Now, the poet makes a guess. In first stanza, the poet makes a guess that it was at the age of 11 when he started thinking like a rational human being. His first opinion is that maybe when he was 11 years old, then he lost his childhood. Ceased means ended. He realized that hell and heaven were mere imaginary concepts and they exist only in the mind. Second opinion is when he knows the difference between heaven and hell, maybe that day he lost his childhood. Then it was the time when he started difference between truth and imagination. He thought maybe शायद वो दिन था जब मुझे समझ में आ गया था कि ट्रुथ में और इमेजिनेशंस में क्या क्या डिफरेंस हैं. मीन्स पूरे फर्स्ट स्टेंजा के अंदर उसके ओपिनियंस, उसकी इमेजिनेशन शो हो रही है. Reality and fiction. Maybe that day when he knows what is reality and what is fiction, what is the difference between imagination and truth, what is the difference between reality and fiction, maybe that day he lost his childhood. In second stanza, again he, when did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but didn't act so lovingly was dead the day. Again he put the question. Perhaps the poet lost his childhood when he was able to see through the hypocrisy of adults. Maybe that day when he knows about the human beings, about the behavior of adults, he realized that the grown ups were not as good as they appeared to be. ही थॉट कि जब उसे पता लगना स्टार्ट हो गया कि जो एडल्ट्स हैं वो जिस तरह से उसके सामने शो करते हैं वो रियलिटी में वही चीज़ वैसे नहीं है, तो उसको लगता है कि मे बी शायद वो दिन था जब मेरा बचपना, मेरा चाइल्डहुड ख़त्म हो गया और मैं भी एक ह्यूमन बीइंग की तरह एक एडल्ट, एक यंगर एज में आकर अपना जो भी वर्कआउट है वो करना स्टार्ट मैंने कर दिया. Nor did they practice love in their life as they frequently talked and praised. Praised means given advice. अब वो इस confusion में है poet कि means जिस तरह से adults जिस तरह से वो शो करते हैं अपने लव को, क्या रियलिटी में वही लव है? क्या रियलिटी में वही चीज़ें होती हैं जिस तरह से हमें लोग बताते हैं, या जिस तरह से जो हमारे एल्डर्स हैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करते हैं या अपनी लाइफ स्टाइल को हमारे सामने रखते हैं, क्या रियलिटी में भी वैसा सब कुछ है? ग्रेजुअली व्हेन ही लर्न दिस आर्ट, वो कहता है कि ग्रेजुअली जब मैंने इस आर्ट को सीख लिया, मीन्स जब मुझे ये सारी चीज़ें समझ में आने लग गई कि इमेजिनेशन और रियलिटी में बहुत डिफरेंस है, मे बी दैट डे ही हैज़ लॉस्ट हिज चाइल्डहुड, ही मूव्ड अ स्टेप टूवर्ड एडल्टहुड. मे बी दैट डे ही मूव्ड अ स्टेप टूवर्ड एडल्टहुड. He has lost his childhood that day. Clear? And then again, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people but my own, and mine alone? Was that the day? Again he put the question to himself. There came a stage in the poet's of life when he developed the art of independent thinking. According to poet, he thought maybe that day when he developed the art of independent thinking. At this stage he realized that his mind was his own. In this stage, poet thought his mind was his own and it was not influenced or directed by others. The day he developed his individuality, he ceased to be a child. Maybe that day when he knows about his mind, about his independent thinking, that day maybe he has lost his childhood. And the last stanza, where did my childhood go? In first three stanza he wants to know when did my childhood go, but at the last stanza, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden an infant's face. That's all I know. In the final and the last stanza, the poet asks, where did my childhood go? Then he comes out with an answer. What is answer? According to poet, it went to some forgotten place. Perhaps his child is lying hidden at a place that has been forgotten. The glimpse of his lost childhood can be seen over the innocent face of an infant. In the last stanza, the poet comes out with an answer, and he thought maybe childhood is lying hidden at a place that has been forgotten. And the last line, he thought the glimpse of his lost childhood means उसकी जो childhood की memories हैं कहाँ पर कैन बी सीन ओवर द इनोसेंट फेस ऑफ एन इन्फेंट कि मे बी ये एक कहाँ पर प्लेस होगा जहाँ पर किसी इनोसेंट इन्फेंट मीन्स न्यू बॉर्न बेबी के फेस पर शायद मुझे दोबारा अपना जो चाइल्डहुड है वो दिखाई दे जाए. All that know about it is that the place is hidden in an infant's face. Is it clear? Means through this poem the poet asks only one question: when did my childhood go? And the last stanza he wants to know about where did my childhood go. Is it clear? I think it is all about your poem childhood. Is it clear? Thank you.